Yo, what's up? Yo, Buko guys. So we're gonna use magic leaf called oregano. Ano siya ay medicinal properties para sa upo. Then ato'y chop. Ugaw man atong hugasan. Ubo. Herbal life taron. Napon siya ay magical purpose daw. So, happiness of joy sa western nga one sa western Europe, America karon English ay gamiton nila gayuma ang energy ko na niya happiness of joy. Mr. Joy nga dishwashing liquid, I don't think so. And that is the stupid of magic. Hugasin natin ang takop. Upo. I have a cough. Heart cup. So we must blender the lips cause we must blender the lips cause the lips is very this is sira. The lips of the oregano is very magical healing power. So we must blend it up. Then open sesame, langkat o buhen. See that? It's very look at that. It's sweet. Agado ang isip mo, pero ako'y giupo na. Alam ko ang tama mali, pero giubo ka. Extract the power of the oregano. Push that there. Oh no, where? Yes. Press it hard. Squeeze it. So many healing properties of this herb, oregano herb. See that? Apel na akong kamot na sangkap. Yee! Dapa. Yee! Wiswasting. Daga na po tagugasun, wala ba tubig? See that? It's green. It's green glass. Oh. Sakay butangan na ito lemon sito, guys. Sige naman narik. Sige naman nagay. Why lemon sito? Ano na lang kapoy. Very medicinal property, yo. no ni karat ag signal light. Signal light. Check. See that? Very green. Ay nako. The green grass of all. So yo, goodbye, and I must drink this medicine because I am very coughing cold.